busy. Based on a hunch that something was wrong with the voting, I did a bit of digging, and what I uncovered is extremely volatile information that is potentially going to cause a massive blow-up. I have evidence that I will attach to this email that is already with at least 4
Stop the blood clot crying. Everybody must dead. It's your turn.
Yes guys, we're back again. Had to take a break. All that beef was just stressing out my head, driving me mad, and had to just take a little step back, enjoy the Easter, get my head back in the game. Now we're going forward, ready for some dub plate wars. Hopefully zero stress this week, no complaining, no flipping nothing. Everything gonna be live and direct. Looking forward to it. All the usual crew inside. See you there this Saturday. Dub plate wars on my channel. Amen Therapy. Start from 9 p.m. This is the big one, guys. It's gonna be epic. Let's be respectful. Let's have some fun. And let's enjoy. With all the things going on in life, all that adding up to on top of my daily routine, just too much for an old boy to flipping get his head round, and it just took it out of me. It just drained my energy, just trying to sort this all out. So now it's all done and it's all behind us now. Looking forward to having a good show. Guys, I just want to say thank you to every single person who's reached out to me to say, are you okay, B? Yeah, I'm okay. Everything is all good. Just one of them moments where you just got to just take a step back and just chill, man, and think things through. You know what I mean? So I just had to do that, and no other better time than the bank holiday weekend to do that. Sorry I didn't put a notification up, guys, but I was just, at the time, I just had to think it all through, man. I've done some new tweaks to the show, and looking forward to showing them off on the night. So guys, see you there. Thanks you so much for your support. We've now hit 9k subscribers and rising. Bless up to people. Peace, love, and unity. Big up.